In this video, we're testing out the Worx electric chainsaw, so let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the 16-inch electric chainsaw. It weighs 5 kilos and has 14.5 amps of power. Inside the box, there's also a 100 ml bottle of chain oil, and the machine also comes with a blade cover. The machine is corded, so you don't have to worry about running out of power or gas. Okay, so my husband's going to get it ready and take it to work in the backyard. And the blade also has this little window here which indicates how much oil is still left in there.
I'll get it. I think we should go.
You have to push the button and then push this to get it to work. It won't work unless you pull this forward. That's the safety. Now it's good to go. Loose too tight. So if it's too tight, you loosen it. You need to tighten it, you tighten it like this. And but it's auto adjusting, so try something small.
Alright guys, any questions or comments, leave them below, and I hope to catch you in my next video.